In today's video, I will show you how to delete YouTube videos downloaded for offline viewing on the YouTube website. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the official YouTube website, ensuring you are logged in to your account. On the home page, look at the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. Under the U section, find and click on Downloads. It is important to keep in mind that downloading videos for offline viewing is a feature that requires a YouTube Premium subscription. If you do not have Premium, you will notice that this section appears empty. However, if you do have active downloads, you will see all the videos you have saved for offline viewing listed here. To remove one, simply locate the specific video you want to delete and click on the three dots, the More icon next to the video title. From the menu that appears, click on Remove from Downloads. The video will be instantly removed from your list, helping you manage your storage space and keep your library organized. And that's it. That's how you delete your downloaded videos on the YouTube website. Thank you for watching.